Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can install and use BakkesMod on Epic Games. So make sure first that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information or steps that I am going to include in this video. So let's get on it. So here are the steps you need to follow to download and install the mod. First, visit the www.bakkesmod.com and click onto the download now button, which redirects you to the actual download page. After doing so, click here to download hyperlink to start the zip file download, and you can unzip the mod file and click onto the BakkesMod setup.exe. It is the executable file, and allow the program to make changes to your computer. After that, you can complete the steps in the installation setup, and you will now be able to run the mod for the Rocket League. And some antivirus software might block the mod, so make sure to whitelist it. Before opening the Rocket League, use the BakkesMod Quick Access to enable it during your game session. And once in game, just use the F2 key to access the BakkesMod. So that's it for this video. Remember, you could always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.